Welcome back to Design Bundle's YouTube channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Crystal, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make stickers with your Silhouette Cameo. Now I'm using the Cameo Plus today, and we're going to be making die-cut stickers. Stickers are great for your planners. You can stick them on your laptops, your packaging labels, for if you're shipping out packagings to put cute little, thank you stickers, things like that. Lots of different things to do with stickers. But today I'm going to show you guys how to make die cut stickers, which means it's going to cut all the way through this material. So it's not going to be a sticker sheet. They're going to cut all the way through a sticker sheet. Now what I like to use are shipping labels. I like to get a big package of like 500 for like $30 or so on Amazon. It may even be 100 for 30, so don't quote me on that. I'll have it linked down below. But you could definitely get paper that's geared for sticker paper from Walmart, Amazon, Hobby Lobby, Michael's, Joann's, all sorts of different places you can find sticker paper. So I'm going to be using this white one here today, and like I said, we're going to do die cut along with our Silhouette. So let's head on over to Silhouette Studio so I can show you guys how to get ready to print out your stickers. Over here in Silhouette Studio, I have already brought in my design. We're going to change our page setup to an 8.5 by 11 and turn our registration marks on. Once we have those registration marks on, then we could go ahead and size this to where we want it. So I'm just going to go ahead and play around with it for a second and get it exactly where I want this to be. So you just want to make sure that you stay within those registration marks. Once you're happy with this, you're just simply going to come right up here to the top and you're going to click on this printer, which is right here. From here, it's going to show you your print preview. You're going to hit print and then send it over to your printer. I've already loaded my sticker paper, so I'm going to hit print. And then now we're going to go ahead and change and send over to send. At this point, we are going to go ahead and choose sticker paper white. So if you guys were doing a kiss cut, you would leave it as is. But since I am doing a die cut, I'm going to change it to 5. All right, so now that we have designed this out, we've printed it out, it's got our registration marks on it for us, so that way the Silhouette can read it and tell us how it's going to cut out. So let's go ahead and load this onto our mat. Now that we have it on our mat, we're going to go ahead and load it into our machine just like so. So I'm going to line everything up and hit load. So as you guys can see, the Silhouette is reading those registration marks, and then it's going to cut it out for us. All right, so now that it's done, we're going to go ahead and unload it, and we can remove our stickers from the mat. So you guys are going to see that this perfectly cut all the way through. So what we're going to do is we're just going to go ahead and remove our outside layer like so. And just like that, you guys are going to have perfectly die-cut stickers. So they're going to cut out just like this, and then you're just simply going to peel away the backing when you're ready to stick them on something. These are perfect whether you're a teacher, you're selling them on Etsy, or using them for your own packaging. Lots of different things you can do with these stickers, including using them for your planners. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you guys found it helpful. If you did, please hit the like button down below and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.